Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Telegram chats or just want to leave a group that's no longer relevant, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated step-by-step method to delete and leave a Telegram group quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats. Once you're in, scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find the group you want to leave. When you've found the group, tap to open the group chat. You'll see all the messages and members inside. Now, look at the very top of your screen. Tap on the group's picture or name. This will take you to the group's information page, where you can see details about the group, its members, and various settings. Next, look for the three dots icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. In this menu, you'll see the option that says Delete and Leave Group. Tap on it. Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision, just to make sure you really want to leave and delete the group from your chat list. Go ahead and confirm. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted and left the Telegram group. The group will disappear from your chat list, and you won't receive any more messages or notifications from it. This process works the same way on both Android and iOS devices, so no matter what phone you're using, you can follow these steps with confidence. If you ever change your mind, you can always rejoin the group if it's public or if you get another invite. For now, enjoy a cleaner chat list and fewer distractions. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need it. See you next time.